Hello everyone, welcome you all. Today I am going to show you how can we configure a TestNG framework using a Maven approach and using a Java approach. So I will show you two different approaches in this tutorial. In case if you are new to this tutorial, please do watch my other tutorials on the introduction part and also the installation of TestNG. So let's jump into this Eclipse and we'll see how can we configure normal Java project for TestNG framework. So this is my Eclipse IDE and we need to go to file, under file go to new and then click on Java project, and here we need to specify the project name. So I will say TestNG Java project. Yeah, and we need to click on finish. So once we click on finish, it will create a new project here. So it is asking to create a module info of TestNG. So let's create. Yeah, here we have this TestNG project created. So this is my project, and in case if this project is not displaying here, then you need to do some configuration on the Java setup, like setting up environment variables. So this is my Java project created. So this is normal Java project without TestNG. So how can we convert this project into a TestNG project? So if you go and click on this project and click on right click again, so you will see TestNG. So this TestNG will not display by defaultly. So we did some the setup, or we can call that installation, that we did in the previous tutorial. So after doing that only we will see this kind of feature. So TestNG option will come into the properties, on the right click properties, then we need to click on the convert to TestNG. So once I click on this convert to TestNG, it will create a TestNG XML file. So TestNG XML file will trigger the all the tests that we are going to write on any web automation or any other automation that will pick based on this XML file itself. So once I click on the convert to TestNG project, then it is showing the TestNG XML, and you can see the location of this TestNG XML. It says TestNG project and TestNG.xml. So this is creating outside the inside the project folder. So it is not giving into any specified folder. If you wanted to store it in any specified folder, then you can provide the folder structure as well. So I am not using any folder structure here. So I just go and click on next, and let's finish. So once I click on finish, here I can see the testng.xml. So this is the most important and most required for this TestNG project to be executed. So using this TestNG configuration only, our project will get executed. So once I open this TestNG XML, you will see the design here, and then after you will see the source. So source, how it look like this. So I will provide you more in-depth details on this TestNG XML in upcoming tutorials. So for now we're just creating projects for Java and Maven projects. So this is for Java approach, and here you can add n number of folders and libraries, jars and everything. So that we'll see later. Now we have did Java project. Now I will create a Maven project. So we need to go to new again, files, new, and go to other, and we need to go to Maven. So in case if Maven is not installed or it is not pre-installed in your Eclipse, do watch my tutorial on the Maven setup. How can we configure in the Maven on the desktop and also in the Eclipse IDE. So this is must required to configuration on the desktop version and also the Eclipse. So once I expand this Maven, so I will see Maven project. So click on Maven project, click on next, and I'm creating any sample project, so I am using the default workspace. So click on next again. So here sometimes it may not show you, sometimes it may show you the field, the artifactory, or we can say archetype. So we need to say search for archetype as quick start. In case if it is not displayed, we need to search for quick start and hit enter. So once you hit enter, you will see all the quick start. So I will show you which one we need to select. org.apache maven archetype. So we'll see again on the top, maybe if I skipped it. So org apache maven archetype. So yeah, here we have this archetype quick start, maven archetype quick start. Let's select this and click on next. So here in the maven project we need to provide this a group id and artifact id. So here I will say maven TestNG. I will copy the same on the artifact ID as well. And the snapshot should be version 1. In case if you are using any other advanced version, or in case if you already have the snapshot of one version, then you can use change your own snapshot version. And my package name is this one. In case if you wanted to change package name, you can do that as well. And let's click on finish. So once I finish, it will create a Maven project. You can see on the package explorer side we have a Maven project here. So this is a Maven project. So we have selected a sample. We have not given any sample to be created for the Maven project, so we have used the default one. So we will get source main Java, source src test Java. So source main Java is used for development code, and source test Java where we will try to leverage our entire TestNG framework here. And you will see the Maven dependencies and source as well. But we need to, we should not add packages and classes here, but we should add here. So we need to create all the test cases and automation test suite under source test Java, not in source. So in Java project we have source where we can create the package and then we can add the other classes and like automation test scripts and test packages. But here in Maven we should add it in source test Java. And we will see the pom.xml. So pom.xml is a Maven project. So from pom.xml we can add libraries and TestNG files and everything from here. And now, so this is also a normal Maven project. So I need to convert this project into my TestNG project. So I will go again, right click on my project and go to this TestNG and convert this to a project called TestNG. So I will, this time I will, what I will do, I will give a folder called TestNG, or maybe I can say config. This is my folder structure. So under Maven project has a config, then after it will create a testng.xml. So click on next and again click on finish. So here you can see we have created, it has created one config folder. Then after under config folder we have testng.xml. So this explaining this testng XML, we'll do it on the next tutorials. So for now we will see the structure itself. And in pom.xml we need to add one library called TestNG library. So I will show you how can we add that and create a first test on our a TestNG framework project. So I will show that in the upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching. I hope this session is very useful for you. In case if you are unable to understand any of the step, please do post a comment on my this video and subscribe to my channel to watch more tutorials like this. Thank you.